This video has been supported by my Patreons. With the support I get from them, I can give you guys regular content and updates. It also helps me improve my channel and go to overseas conventions more often. So what are you waiting for? Go check me out on Patreon, and from just $1 a month, you can support me and the channel, get personal fursuit making help, and get some great rewards. Hope to see you there. Enjoy the video. Welcome everybody to a house pajama edition tutorial. Today we're going to be making a duct tape dummy. Pull your hair up, please. But so today we have Honey here who needs to make me a duct tape dummy, and she's over at my house. We figured we'd do it, and we're going to show you guys how we do it and how pretty much our entire house prefers them to be done. All right, so we have a rain. We have a human who's going to be taped. We have some broomsticks. These will be to hold up your arms like this, so you don't be sore for the next half an hour.
Fair enough.
Merry Christmas.
Thank you.
We have cloth-backed tape. Please make sure it's cloth-backed, or else your suit will end up looking like this, or your duct tape dummy will end up looking like this. And that's not normal bodily proportions. We like bodily proportions. They make fursuits fit nice. And we also need, we have Leap on the floor. You can't see her, but she's down there. She's cutting up the tape into strips. And we also have a pen and scissors. The pen we will use later. And we also have paper towel, wherever that's gone, over there. And last thing, we have a thing of water to make sure she stays hydrated. All right, so we're gonna start. So you're gonna you're gonna stand just feet slightly shoulder length apart. Yep, and you're gonna stick it, so yep, so you can position it so you're comfortable. So arm straight out, needs to be straight out.
There.
Yep. Slightly further apart with your legs. Yeah, about that. Yeah, about that. All right, now we start the taping. All right, Bolt, come on. Let's go.
Do you guys know how to do the
crotch?
properly?
Crotch first. Yeah, crotch first.
You gotta make underpants first, so
Yep,
bulk up this crotch.
Stand slightly further apart. I need to actually keep going. I need to actually get into your crotch.
Sure.
Oh god. So we're gonna
Yeah, I'll just keep cutting tape.
This is like awful.
Yeah, please.
This is normal.
I'm just gonna keep cutting
We're
tape.
normal. So yeah, you really want to make sure it hugs the body, because you want it to be as close to an exact replica of you as you can get. Now you kind of do want to work fast, because this is not really pleasant to experience, no matter what.
It's interesting. It's like 9 o'clock. Your girl just wants prosciutto and ice cream, and she out here with tape around her groin, so you know.
And you kind of want to alternate the directions. Alternating directions of tape gives it durability. And I usually like to add a couple layers around the crotch.
Yeah.
Because that's what we.
I feel very padded.
So we do you do legs first and then torso? Or
Yes.
Yeah.
You want to make sure you do the arms absolute last.
Handy thing about cloth tape is you can rip it eventually.
But Sky's a bit weak, so it takes her a little bit longer.
Yes, we can.
My legs are already upset.
Congrats, we're not even halfway.
Moral of the story,
Yeah,
folks, if you want a fursuit, get a partial.
I mean, easy work for me.
Boycott the full suits, just get partial.
Good
Don't
one.
do that, support your local makers, please. I have a joke for everyone, and especially all the viewers watching this.
Right.
Is it your life? Oh!
Ow!
What sort of car does a furry drive?
It's
pretty obvious.
Sake.
A Subaru!
Pretty obvious.
Some people won't know. Mostly the 12-year-olds.
Alright, now here's an important bit and make sure it's in
What
shot.
the hell is the paper for?
You'll see.
You can probably scoot your legs in a bit if it makes you a bit more comfy.
Yeah. I did also miss a bit.
Alright, so what I'm using the paper for is so that we can start going around your heels. So can you go up on your toe or at least lift one up? Thank you. Yep, put it down. Go. Cool. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to tape some, I'm going to show so the camera can see, but we're going to tape some paper towel around the heel so we can start moving down and around. If you can get tape under the heel, even better, which we will be doing. So yeah, we're going to kind of just take it down the sides.
Basically, Sky told me today that she'd be calling the shots, and I do what I'm told.
Yes, you do. If I'm going to be making your bodysuit off this DTD, then
Yeah, that's true.
it's going to be the best thing.
Your best DTD you've ever received.
Yeah, but
I mean, if it's not,
I'm going to...
But then she
Make
can't
it
blame
in.
me.
literally.
Exactly.
I'm gonna stop drilling.
There is another, so like a good point. You got to make sure when you go to make a DTD,
Lift heel again?
that especially if you like don't know what you're doing, you need
Thank
to
you.
look it up.
If you can get tape underneath the base of the heel and reinforce around there, then that's excellent. Thank you very much. Alright, thank you. Now you want to try to stand up straight like you want to really be not moving now.
So God.
Arm straight.
You got to do armpits after the legs. Usually.
Armpits after legs?
Not the rest, not the whole arm, just underneath the armpits because it's got to be tight. You've got to pull up that sleeve.
Yeah, and then we do the chest.
Well, then you just keep going up and then you do arms last.
Okay, we're back. Alright, so poor Rain is trapped. You doing okay?
I'm doing fine.
You good?
Yeah.
Alright, so we're gonna start, make sure we get really up close to her neck. This is so that I basically finish my suits where the DTD necks end. So if you bring your duct tape dummy out to like your shoulders neck, I'm not gonna be very happy with you because your head isn't gonna be able to. Alright, that's good enough for that. Now we're going to start working along your arms. And we're going to try to bring it all the way to here. So it's the same process as we did with the legs, but with the arms, making sure we tuck this fabric in. So we want to have a nice snug fit. Please, please, please make sure it doesn't have any holes.
Triple check.
Triple check. Alright, so when you get to this point where you're here, you've reached the end of the painter's suit, you're gonna start taking some of your paper towel and just kind of stuffing it underneath where your duct tape ends. This is just gonna make sure that we don't rip off your arm hair. Alright, so when you do the wrists, you want to come kind of to the base of the hand. This is going to help you make it determine where the you end your arm. If you're worried about your duct tape dummy and their circulation, get them to squeeze your hand. And if they feel cold and clammy and very weak, then you know that they're losing circulation somewhere and you need to take that off as soon as possible. But no, you're fine.
But if they can still hit a mop at a 20-year-old male because he's pinching an arm hair, they're fine.
And it seriously doesn't hurt to just randomly go around looking for holes and making sure that they're plugged.
You said seriously, and my phone picked up that. And said,
Siri,
Okay, whilst Bolt finishes up the last of the DTD, we are going to draw. Now, we're not going to draw a penis, however tempting it might be.
He's drawing on my back.
Having an immobilized person. However,
He's drawing on my back.
what we are going to draw is we're going to draw how we're going to get him out. Chin up unless you want a mustache. So we're going to bring a line all the way down pretty much. Alright, so whilst I've drawn that line down the middle, I'm going to draw a line from her shoulder all the way across the top of her arm, the wrist. I'm going to do it again on the side, all the way to the end. And we're also going to do the same on the outside of the legs. So, all the way down the side.
No, we're good.
We're good?
We're Gucci.
So along the lines,
I want to.
along the lines that we've drawn, we're going to draw a bunch of X's. This is going to help us tape it back together. And we do this because we like our fursuit makers. That's why we tape our duct tape dummies back together.
Subjective.
Because we like our fursuit makers.
Or do we?
Or do we? This is the question. So, alright. So, Rain, what's your shoe size?
Size 6.
So, I like to be kind. On the back of the DTD, I write the name of the character. So, we're going to write Honey. And your size 6 ladies. God, you're tiny. I write my shoe size because that's nice. Now, we're going to go around and we're going to mark things. So, can you bend your arm for me a bit? Is that where your elbow is?
Yep.
Okay, so I'm marking where her elbow is. So I'm going to draw a circle and an X. Bend your knees a little bit.
No.
So is this where your knee is?
Yep.
Alright, so circle and X. Bend again this side. Right, circle and X. And here.
Oh no.
Because Belt's just gotten tape stuck to his leg. You guys are literally the worst. And I'm also going to draw an X where the tail should sit. So look on me, it's going to sit like right where your pant line is, kind of where your tailbone starts. And we're going to draw a big X there as well. Alright, what else the f do I need to draw? I don't think I need to draw anything else. I don't think so. No, I think we're good. Alright, it's time to free you.
Woo! Freedom!
Skizzos.
Have fun.
Where's the Skizzos gone?
Yours are over here underneath my chair for some reason. The orange one's covered in plaster.
That's the ones. Those the ones.
Okay, so, honey, it does feel weird. It feels like you're getting cut.
Yes, it does.
But
So
you're
it'll
not.
feel like you're being cut, but I promise you I'm not. I'm being very careful. I'm also not cutting your hair either. Also, yeah, take the hood off your painter's suit.
It was useful because of the ponytail for doing it
Alright,
around
so
the
you're gonna let
back,
go of
but-
this one? Hold that.
There's tongue.
Okay,
my
so
tongue.
Delicious.
when you cut someone out, I'm gonna
the
start,
scissors-
so it's
you
gonna
gotta-
feel really weird. Alright? Yeah.
You gotta raise, you've gotta try and
So
lift
you
the
gotta
scissors,
point-
angle it upwards as much as possible.
Yes. So you're gonna point the scissors up. I'm gonna run it flush against your skin. It's not gonna cut you because you're using the blunt end. If I was cutting you like that, then obviously I'm gonna cut your skin off. But it's gonna feel a bit weird.
Don't do that, kids.
I'm gonna work in little snips to make sure I don't.
I have little snips all the way
Yeah.
down my arm on the weekend.
Yes, don't.
No, please don't draw me
That
again.
doesn't- That's not gonna hurt
My
you.
neck put down.
It's
Don't
just
we-
scary, but that's fun.
It is a bit
You
scary
belly button you.
because it feels like you're being cut, doesn't it? It's like. Beep.
That's one side free.
Yeet.
Freedom!
Alright, bend your wrist down.
Yeah, and try not to bend that arm until that gets cut off either. Yeah, sort of scuff up under
But
here
yeah, pushing up as hard as you can kind of helps, and you know that there's probably less chance of you cutting or breaking skin. Alright, so what we're gonna do is you basically can alright, you're gonna wiggle it.
I'm gonna wiggle it.
Yeah, it's like a pair of pants. Yeah, there you go. Keep
Wiggle
going.
it.
Keep going. Keep
A
going.
little bit.
Push. Ha! Okay, there you go.
Oh my god, my leg! I don't have a feeling on my leg.
Okay, do you want to sit down? We're gonna do some taping anyway, so do you want to
I'll
sit down?
over here.
We have a duct tape dummy. How is that?
Yeah, you know, not as fun as I'd imagined.
Right, but it's a rite of passage, so sucks to be you. We have some wonderful tape being created from our tape terrors over here, and we're gonna start taping this thing back together.
We're
Okay.
strippers.
Okay. So you'll notice we've done a lot of X's along the seams. We're gonna realign those X's, and that is gonna be where we tape it back together and how we know where to tape. So grab some taping.
Oh god, I don't know what I'm doing.
So you see how mine's got two sides, so you want to realign the markings, and then pinch them together and just I kind of fold it in half and put a bit of tape over it.
On the X's?
Yeah, so we want not on the X's. That just tells you where to like, line it up. We're going to tape all along that seam.
Well, yeah, you can tape on the X's.
You can tape on the X's as a good start to kind of.
I'm really trying to align it before it makes it hard.
Yes. But we do this because we like our fursuit makers.
Again, subjective.
I don't know about you, but whenever I receive a duct tape dummy with it taped back together, I'm just like,
I'm just like, praise thee.
praise!
Thank for taping your DG back together.
Oh yes, if you're a sweaty human, air it out, please.
Yeah.
Yeah. If your body, like you know if your body sweats a lot, like you don't really sweat. This isn't really wet at all. But if your duct tape dummy comes out and it's wet, please leave it to dry out a bit before you tape it back together.
But also we did this at night time in the cold air.
Yes. So if you're doing it in the heat or whatever, please just give it a bit to air out. Because I've received duct tape dummies that I haven't opened, because sometimes I receive them and I can't open them until I need them. And they'd have been sitting there for like 3 months, and I'll open it up and there's 3-month-old sweat stink.
Oh, it's
In
gross.
some cases, it was still wet.
I've had them still wet, yeah.
Still wet. We have a duct tape dummy! Congratulations! Now we're all going to go to sleep, but I hope this helped you make your own duct tape dummy in the future. If you follow these steps, you will have something at least of passable quality, one would hope. So, if you have any questions, leave them down below. If you're a fursuit maker and you think what I've done is a crime against humanity, let me know how you like to have your duct tape dummies done, but this is how we like having ours done. So, and I guess I will see you guys in the next tutorial video whenever that may be. So goodbye. Wave at the camera, lads. Wave at the camera.
Bye, suckers.